morning everyone. How are you all? Wow, you all are great. That's nice. I'm also doing great, children. So today I am going to introduce an interesting topic. So are you all ready? What? Wow, you all are ready for it. Yes. So before going to the topic, we will sing a song. So are you all ready for that? Wow, that's nice, children. So now everyone, please stand up. Yes. And now you will repeat after me. So the song goes like this. Vapor goes up from the sea to the sun. Evaporation. Clouds form in the sky. Condensation. Rain falls everywhere. Precipitation. Water from the river goes to the sea. Collection. Water goes up and water comes down. Water cycle goes round and round. Water goes up and water comes down. Water cycle goes round and round. So now children, can you all get the topic? What is the name of our today's topic? Yes, you all are correct. That's water cycle. So now we will quickly go to the topic. Now you all open your copies and do this one with me, right? And after this, I am going to show you another activity. So what is today's date? Everyone write down CW. And what is today's date, children? Today is 8th of February. And which year is this? You're correct. This is 25, right? So what is the topic name? Our topic name is water cycle. So one of you please come here and tell me the spelling of water cycle. Yes, what is the spelling? W, very good, A-T-E-R. Water and cycle. C-Y-C-L-E. Water cycle. That's great. Give me a high five. Yes, now you can back to your seat. Now teacher will draw and show you. Yeah. So children, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is the mountain. Water comes from here and here is the king. The sun is there, right? Due to the sun's heat, the water from the lakes and the river, they used to get evaporated. What? The liquid form is changed into vapor form, right? And this process is called as evaporation. What is this? Evaporation. After this evaporation, the gases, they form cloud here. Right? So what they form here? Cloud. This is called as condensation. What is this? Condensation. And this condensation, when the cloud is heavy, it comes back as rain to the earth, right? This is called as precipitation. What we will say? Precipitation. And this precipitation or this rainwater is collected again in the lakes, river and pond. This is called as collection. What is this? Collection. The water which is present in the surface of the earth, that is called as surface water, and the rest all water, they get sipped into the ground and that is called as ground water. And this process always continue, right? So what happens? First evaporation, then the evaporated vapor, they condense to form the cloud. This process is called as condensation. When the cloud is heavy, then it falls back again to the earth as precipitation and then it gets collected in different sources of water. Can you name few water sources? Yes, yeah, you're correct. River, lake, sea, oceans, well. Wow, you all are so intelligent, children. So these are the water sources. So now can you tell me, why it is called as water cycle? Yes, because it is a cyclic process, right? It never stops. Now, ma'am will show you one activity. Are you ready? That's great. So now, I will show you an activity related to this water cycle. Children, here I am holding a very hot water. I can't able to hold this one. So I am going to place it here and I will cover it with a lid. Can you see the water vapors coming out of this Yes, now I will show you how the vapor used to condense, right? So I will wait for a few minutes. Now children, come here. I am going to show you the process of condensation. Come. So at that time the lid was dry, but now see, can you see water droplets here? Yes, now this water droplets, they used to form clouds in the sky, right? After it is heavy, can you see little water droplets coming out of this lid? Yes, this process is called as what? Precipitation, when it falls down, right? And when it get stick in this lid, that is called as condensation, right? So in this process, the water cycle works. So if you have any questions, just ask me. I'm here to answer all the questions. So now children, it's trivia time. So are you ready for few questions? That's great. So the first question is children, so can you tell me when the water is converted into vapor, that process is called as what? Yes, you're absolutely correct. That is evaporation. Can you spell evaporation? E-V-A-P-O. Evapo. R-A-T-I-O-N. Evaporation. Very good. Can you tell me in which process the clouds used to form in the sky? Yes, you're absolutely correct. That is condensation. Now, can you please tell me quickly 3 water sources name? Yes, you are absolutely correct. That is a well,